now we're reflecting over a diagonal line. So the line y equals negative x is a diagonal line going this direction. So it has a y-intercept of 0 and a slope of -1. So I'm just going to draw in some points here following that slope of down 1, right 1, a slope of -1. Extend that over here as well. So I'm putting those points so that when I draw the line of reflection, I'm doing it as precisely as possible. Okay, so there's my line of reflection as best I can freehand. Okay, so I'm reflecting over this diagonal line. So my new my new rectangle is going to end up on this side of the line of reflection. So I'm starting with a pre-image JKLM. I'm going to take one vertex at a time and count the diagonal distance from that vertex to the line. So because this line is diagonal, I need to count a distance diagonally as well. So we're going to start with point J. So the diagonal distance is 1 unit, 2 units, and then just half a unit across. So here, we're not going all the way across that box yet. To the line of reflection, it's 1, 2, half, so 2.5 diagonal units. So I'm going to follow that same direction, but on the other side of the line of reflection. And I'm creating the same distance. So I'm going to start by completing the other half of this diagonal box. And then I need 2 more to reach 2.5 total. So this will be the location of J, if that will work, of J prime. My goodness. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing with M. So M is 1.5 diagonal. So I will move half and 1 on the other side. So this is the location of M prime. Following the same pattern for K and L. So I'm just going to do this really carefully for both. So instead of drawing so much, I'm just going to draw on each diagonal corner. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. So I'm going to do the other half and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the location of K prime. And then my final L is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. So I do the half on the other side and now 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the location of L prime. So then my final step is to connect those vertices. And I have my reflection, my image, J prime, K prime, L prime, M prime.